In today's video, I'll teach you how to make PDF in CamScanner app. So first of all, open the CamScanner application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here CamScanner application has been opened. You'll be able to see various tools over here. So if you want to make the PDF, what you have to do is tap on the camera icon that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to scan the images, or you can also import the images if you want. For that, tap on this option, import images, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to select the photos. Simply select the photos according to your choice. Now after you do that, tap on the import option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now wait for a while. You can see over here all of the photos has been selected. If you want to convert it to the PDF, what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this option, edit PDF, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, it will be changed to the PDF. You can also rename it by tapping on the name that you can see at the top. After you do that, you can simply enter the title over here. After that, tap on this option, OK. Likewise, you'll be able to find various options like anti-theft, word, sign, edit text, etc. You can simply use these tools if you want. After you do that, tap on the share option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can simply select the platform where you want to send the PDF, or you can also tap on this option, save to local. Now your PDF file has been saved. So like this, you'll be able to make the PDF. So that is how you make PDF on CamScanner app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.